Hello everyone, I'm your art teacher Kiran Raje and I'm back with new art activity for you. This is a flower vase or pencil stand. You can use it as a flower vase or you can use it as a pencil stand. You can keep pencil or colors in this box. You can make it big also. So today I'll teach you how to make this box with origami. For this box we require one square sheet. That's it. Now what to do? Fold this sheet in two equal parts and press it. Open. Again you have to fold it into two equal parts. Press it like this. Now open. Now you can see two imaginary line, one vertical line and one horizontal line. Hold this paper like this and fold it inside. By folding, again you have to make it square like this. It's very easy. Press it nicely. Both sides. Now fold it like this, so you can make imaginary line this side also and opposite side also. Now one corner fold inside, opposite corner also we have to fold inside and press it till imaginary line, and this one more corner we have to fold like this and press it. Turn this and again same process. Fold one corner, press it till imaginary line, next corner also till imaginary line, and this is the third corner again same. Now you can see both sides same. Turn like this and this side also turn like this. Press it nicely. Now you can see center point, and this corner you have to fold till imaginary line, measure center point and fold it. Same another side, center point, imaginary line, fold it, press it, and this corner you have to fold and keep this corner inside like this. Put it inside and press it nicely. Again same process. This side also center point, imaginary line and fold it like this. Press it like this. Same imaginary line, center point and fold it and press it. This corner again it will go inside. Put this corner inside like this and press it. That's it. Now you can see both sides same. Slowly open it. Put your fingers inside the box and carefully and slowly try to open this like this. Now you can see surface flat like this. Open it every side. Now these corners we will put Fevicol and we will paste it, so it will not open. Both sides we will paste. Let it be dry for some time. Now it's ready. You can see every side, two sides similar. Now we will decorate this flower vase with flower small flower we can paste. Cut flowers and paste. You can paste anything to decorate this vase. So it will look more beautiful. You can use this box as a pencil stand, or you can use this box as a flower vase. Same this side. It will look more beautiful. So we are decorating this. This is the last. Now this is done. It's looking very beautiful. It's very easy to make. I hope you like this video, origami flower vase. In next video, I will bring more creative learning for you. I hope you all are enjoying these videos. So you can make this flower vase big also. Take big sheet so you will able to make it big. It's looking very beautiful. So in next video I will bring more creative learning for you. Okay, stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Bye bye.